Hello students, welcome back to the class. In last class, we have discussed about the topic drugs. In that class, we have studied regarding the definition of drugs and the classification of drugs and the synthesis of antipyrine as well as paracetamol. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about the synthesis of some other drugs as well as their uses. So let's start with the drug Novocaine. What is Novocaine? So as we have already studied in classification, Novocaine is a local anesthesia. Local means whenever we want to make the certain part of the body as unconscious, then we are going to use this drug. It is used as an injection during surgery and other medical and dental procedures. This Novocaine can be prepared or synthesized by using para-nitrobenzoic acid and 2-diethylaminoethanol. It can be prepared by using para-nitrobenzoic acid and 2-diethylaminoethanol. So let's see the reaction. Here is our para-nitrobenzoic acid. Initially, it is made to react with thionein chloride, SOCl2. That leads to the formation of acid chloride, that is COCl and NO2. And during this reaction, some of the byproducts are released like sulfur dioxide as well as hydrochloric acid. And resultant acid chloride is made to react with diethylaminoethanol. The process is called, or the reaction is called, esterification. So we can write diethylaminoethanol like CH2, CH2, N, ET. ET means it represents the ethane groups. So this is our OH, alcoholic OH is here. And during this reaction, the alcoholic hydrogen is going to bind with the chlorine of acid chloride. Sorry, this is like this. So remaining, the oxygen is going to bind with the carbon and it leads to the formation of nitrocaine. So this is our nitrocaine and NO2. The remaining, already the CO is there and one more oxygen from diethylaminoethanol is going to bind with this carbon and resulting in the formation of COO, CH2, CH2, N, ETA. So this is nothing but nitrocaine, but we require Novocaine, and during this reaction hydrochloric acid is get eliminated, and this is nitrocaine is once again reduced in the presence of Raney nickel catalyst, this H2Ni, and that leads to the formation of Novocaine, COO, CH2, CH2, N, we can write ET twice also. So this is NH2. In presence of Raney nickel, that nitro group is converted into amino group. So the process is called normally reduction, that we know. So this is our Novocaine. So once again, Novocaine is a local anesthesia. Now we will move towards the synthesis of one more drug called pentothal sodium, which is also known as thiopental sodium. Pentothal sodium. So pentothal sodium is a barbiturate which is used to help patients relax before receiving general anesthesia, or else it is also called as general anesthesia. Whenever you want to make whole body of the patient as unconscious, at that time we are going to use the pentothal sodium. And the synthesis of pentothal sodium involve the three major steps. The first one is preparation of diethyl ester. First one is preparation of diethyl ester from diethyl malleate. And second step, condensation of diethyl ester with thiourea. And the last step involved preparation of the sodium salt. So first one is preparation of diethyl ester. We can indicate as 1, that is intermediate product 1 from diethyl malleate. Then later the condensation of diethyl ester with thiourea, and the third one is preparation of the sodium salt. So let's start with the step 1, that is preparation of diethyl ester. Diethyl ester can be prepared by using diethyl malonate and sodium metal. So this is our diethyl malonate, CH2, COO, C2, H5, and this side COO, C2, H5. This diethyl malonate is made to react with sodium metal, and that leads to the formation of sodium malonic ester. So here the removal of one of the hydrogen will, that is half of H2 will takes place. The resulting molecule is, so this is CHNA, and this side COO, C2, H5, and this is COO, C2, H5. This is sodium ester, which on treatment with ethyl bromide results into the formation of diethyl ester. That is, the sodium ester is now going to react with CH3, CH2, Br, that is ethyl bromide. Here the sodium will bind with bromide group and facilitate the removal of sodium bromide, and remaining CH3 CH2 group attaches to the esteric carbon. So it can be written as CH, CH2, CH3, and this CO, O, C2, H5, CO, O, C2, H5. So this is called diethyl ester of malonic acid, and this diethyl ester of malonic acid is once again going to react with 2-bromopentane. It is CH3, CHBr, CH2 twice CH3, that is 2-bromopentane. This will react with the ester of malonic acid, and that will leads to the formation of diethyl ester of ethyl 1-methyl-butyl malonic acid. In this step, this hydrogen is going to bind with the bromide ion, and that will leads to the elimination of hydrogen bromide, and this carb ion is going to bind with this carbon, and that leads to the formation of the intermediate product 1, that is C2H5. So this can be written as C2H5, and the remaining CH, this thing CH, CH2 twice CH3, and this is CH3, and the remaining part CO, O, C2, H5, and COO, O, C2, H5. This is called it as intermediate product 1. We will move towards the second step, that is condensation of this intermediate product with thiourea. Thiourea can be written as S double bond C NH2, and this is NH2, and this thiourea is now going to react with the intermediate product, that is CH2 and CH2 twice CH3, and this is CH3, the remaining COO, C2, H5, this is COO, C2, H5, and in this reaction, this hydrogen, I am writing it as CH, H, and this hydrogen is going to bind with this ethoxide, and with this side, and this hydrogen is going to bind with this ethoxide, and this reaction proceeds with the elimination of 2 molecules of ethanol, that is C2H5OH, that is 2 molecules of C2H5OH, and the remaining thing will give thiol pentothal, that is also known as pentothal only. So that can be written as, so S double bond C at NH is now going to bind with this carbonyl carbon, and here one more NH is there, that is also going to bind with this carbonyl carbon. The remaining structure C2H5, and this is CH2 twice CH3. This one is known as thiopental or pentothal. And now we will move towards the third step, that is preparation of the sodium salt or pentothal sodium or thiopental sodium. This is the keto form of thiopental, but we are going to use the enol form of this one. This can be written as S H C single bond C and carbon to nitrogen double bond, and this CO on this side, NH CO C2 H5 CH CH2 twice CH3 CH3, and this enol form of thiopental is going to react with sodium hydroxide or alkylated in presence of sodium hydroxide, that leads to the formation of thiopental sodium. In this reaction, the hydrogen of this thiol is going to bind with this OH group, and it leads to the elimination of H2O. Finally, we get the desired compound called thiopental sodium, that can be written as, this we will start with here only, NaS single bond C, carbon to nitrogen double bond, the remaining NH CO, remaining C2 H5 CH CH2 twice, and this is CH3 and this is CH3, and this compound is known as pentothal sodium or thiopental sodium. And remember one thing, this is a general anesthesia.